Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll receive all the notification what I am posting on my community tab. Today we are going to discuss about Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. In my yesterday's video, I clearly specified that the Q2 result is going to be announced today and the result will be good. But while we are looking at the result, you can see that in the first scene, you can see that the result is negative, but the result is not negative. It's an excellent result. I will explain you that. So you will be having some confusion while you are looking at the result. 111.88 crore negative result has been posted while we are looking at the first scene. But this is not a negative result. So I'll explain you in details. Maybe you will be having a confusion what I have to do, whether I should hold Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited or there will be a lower circuit on coming days. Maybe you will be having lot of questions now, so I'll clear that. So maybe tomorrow we can expect a minor decline, but that will not be sustained because the institutional investors, they will start to buy. So let us go into the details of the financial result and I will explain you why and why we should hold, why we should take this as an opportunity to accumulate. So you can still accumulate Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. There will not be any major fall. So I will explain you that. So currently it is trading at 14.70 today. After the market closed only, the result was announced. And even the entire market was down today, almost 400 points down. The Sensex was down by almost 400 points. But still Bajaj Hindustan Sugar closed at positive 1.03%. And in BSE, total 27.63 lakh shares are traded. Out of that, 59.08% taken delivery. That means 16 lakhs 32,263 shares are taken delivery. While coming to the NSE, you can see here that it is closed at 14.70. 1.34 crore shares are traded. Out of that, 51.80% taken delivery. It means 69 lakhs 52,521 shares taken delivery at the price, average price of 14.91. So you can imagine the people, they start to buy the share and they were pretty confident that the Q2 result will be better. So we will go into the details and why the standalone result shown as negative, why this net profit of 113 crore came, from where it was came. While we are coming to the sales of the company, you can see here last quarter and this quarter the company sales got maintained. Let us go into the details. I will explain you. So at that time you will come to know that there is another announcement. Mr. Ramani Rajan Mishra, age 55 years, in professional banker, having 30 years of experience in operation, credit, HRD, general admin, recovery, etc. Mr. Mishra is presently designated as the Deputy General Manager, Punjab National Bank, ELCB, New Delhi. Mishra holds the degree of MCOM, CA, IIB, PG, DCA, IIT Kanpur. She has been appointed as nominee director of Punjab National Bank. So currently the Punjab National Bank having stake in Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. They are having the control over the company. It's the reason nominee director has been appointed by Punjab National Bank. That is the first thing. And let us go into the details of the result. I will explain you the current income. You can see between last quarter and this quarter, the result income is almost same. In the last quarter, the sales was 1,359.30 crore and in Q2, 1,348.86 crore sales. It's almost same. But you will be having a doubt why the last quarter result was only 40 crore negative profit and this quarter it got increased to 111 crore negative profit. Why this was been happened? So I will explain you that. You can see the inventory. The last quarter the inventory was 696 crore, that means a finished product, and you can see here 1138 crore inventory is mentioned here. That is coming as the expenses. But there is a product. And while we are coming to the distillery, in my yesterday's video I explained that the festival seasons are coming and year end is coming. The distillery, you can see the sales got increased here. And while we are coming to the major thing, you can see the liability of the company, the total outstanding other than the micro enterprises and the small enterprises. During the last quarter, it was 4,440 crore outstanding was there, the liability, and this quarter it got reduced to 2,916.21 crore. You can see a major change. That means company's loan got decreased, and the financial liabilities you can see here In the last quarter it was 579 crore and it got reduced to 434 crore. While we look at the company's cash flow, it is very clear that the inventories, you can see here in this, the last quarter what was the inventory and this quarter what is the inventory, you can see here 1860 crore finished material is laying with the company, they are holding. That's the reason the company's profit got reduced. Company is posted negative result. This is only a standalone result. While we are coming to the consolidated result on the upcoming financial year, that means 2022 March, surely there will be a huge profit and you can see a great recovery. So this is a time we have to accumulate Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. All over the result is good. If you see the point number 6, you can see it here. The company has exposure engaging to 1683.37 crore. You can see here the same thing what I have mentioned, that there is finished good with the company amounting 1860.27 crore. The company's standalone result loss was only 111 crore but the company is having the finished good of 1660 crore. That is clearly mentioned in the point number 6. You can see here. So the result is an amazing result that will be reflected in the consolidated result of next financial year. So please don't consider the current standalone result and don't get disappointed. Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited is performing well and the current director change, that is also a plus point. Punjab National Bank nominee is there in Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. Already I told that the company is having huge potential and our target is very huge and the company is on recovery stage. And in my yesterday's video I told that the management is very clever, they are playing well and they want the retailers to be frustrated, because while looking at the quarterly standalone result we think that the result is negative, but in the reality the result is an amazing result. There are finished product, they didn't sold it, they are holding it because they know that in the international market the sugar price will go high and they can sell it and that will be reflected in the consolidated result. The standalone result is liable only for the limited review. That also you can see here in the limited review report. This result, the standalone result is only limited review. So it means there are hidden things. That hidden thing only I explain you. So the result is amazing. Please don't get disappointed. Keep on accumulating. Take this as an opportunity. Tomorrow also most probably we will see that Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited will trade flat only. Don't expect any major fall. If you are holding Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited, please hold it. Please don't sell it and keep on accumulating. Take it as an opportunity. Maybe after 1 or 2 days, again the institutional investors, they will keep on buying because they are very clever. Those who go into the details of financial result, they will come to know that the result is excellent. So I hope that everybody is convinced on this. Why I am explaining is everybody want to take the benefit, and whatever we seen on the first instant, most of the time that will not be a true. There are hidden things behind that. This is also one among that. So please keep on accumulating Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. There will be a huge recovery to the company and the stock will be traded as per the company's current potential. The company is on recovery stage. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and kindly refer to the membership options Elite, Emerald and Ruby. All the Ruby members, they will receive the short-time recommendations and all the multi-bagger stock recommendation videos and also wealth creator videos, and the Elite members onwards, they will receive the access to all the wealth creator stock series. Kindly refer to the wealth creator stocks. There are 50 stocks. These are the premium stocks in Indian stock market. Even you can see that last 3-4 days there was profit booking. Again the index will trade better, index will recover and also index will hit the earlier high. So please don't get panic. Please hold over the fundamentally strong stocks and keep on avoiding the overvalued stocks like IEX Limited. In yesterday's video I told. So please keep avoiding overvalued stock and hold the stock those having the fundamental. These wealth creator stocks are like the premium stocks. These are moving ahead only. These stocks will not be having any major correction, or it will not be traded in a cycle. The earlier low will not be traded on the next year, so the stock will be moving ahead only. So you can keep these stocks like an SIP, create a watch list of all these 50 stocks and keep on accumulating it whenever you have the fund. So this is to protect your wealth, and this is to protect and to maintain your portfolio. Even if there is a market crash, these stocks will recover and will trade better, and that will save your capital. So once again, thank you very much. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Please don't get panic in Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. The result is good. Result is amazing as we expect. There is finished good of almost 1600 crore plus with the company, and it's the reason the company has been posted the negative result. On the consolidated result, that will be reflected and it will be a positive result. So please keep buying and don't expect any major fall in Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. The stock will be traded flat for 1 or 2 days, but after that the institutional investors, they will start to buy and the stock will move ahead. So thank you so much and kindly stay tuned.